is a small video tutorial which I am going to post for how to upload the YouTube videos. Means how to upload the content on the YouTube channel. So once you will create your channel using your Gmail ID, so you have to come to this page of your dashboard from the YouTube channel. So here you have to click on create button. Okay, I'm going to show you how to upload a sample video today. See here, after create button, once you click on the create button, you see upload video. Click on it and browse. Select the video which you want to upload. So today I have targeted to upload this video. Then once it is uploaded, give some heading to it, give some title to it. See, once you have given that title here, this is mandatory and this is optional, you can skip it. This is the first option which I'm going to update, that is details. Video elements, checks and visibility are the four menu here. So first we are working with details option. Okay, now come here, the video is uploaded here and title is given. Title is very important, give some eye-catchy title. Then here choose one thumbnail. Thumbnail is very important, it will be like the poster for your YouTube video. And the thumbnail you can design using the Canva, whatever you prefer. Then here playlist means where you want to save in your which playlist this video. For example, I have made the 4 playlists, so I will be saving here this video. And audience is very important, and always check for audience. So if you select this no, it's not for kids, so it will not go for the kids under 18 years, and you will get the more audience from 18 to age of 65 or 50, whatever. Means it is like it will give the more audience to you if you select this active. And no, it is for not the kids, you are mentioning like that. Then show more is also very important. So if your video is containing any paid promotions, so you have to click my video is not containing, so I am not checking out this. Then automatic chapters, yeah, means if someone is playing your playlist, the next chapter will come. Then tag is very important, means here you are inviting the audience to watch this video. So basically you have to make a note of the few tags, okay, which you want to mention here. So I have also made the list of the tags which I want to give for this video, so that the particular audience will get attracted. So I'll place them here, the keywords. So I have copied the tags in a notepad, particularly whichever I want to paste here. See, these are the following tags. Then after that, this is very important, and up to 500 you can use. So I have made use of 490 tags, 490 words. Then this all I am not giving, allow embedding, I will not allow. Publish, yeah, I want the subscribers to know, I want to know whenever the subscription is happening and notifying me. No, people to sample this video, no, I don't allow. So that's the reason I'm removing it. Education, yeah, this video is for education because the title speak never be afraid. Then here choose how many viewers, show how many viewers like and dislike. This is very important. As a YouTuber, you want to know which video, how your video is getting liked and what comments are you receiving, how many people are disliking, liking. Okay, now go to the next window, video elements. Here I won't select anything. Then next, go to next window, checks here again, nothing, I'm not saying no issues found. Now coming to the next, visibility. So visibility is very important, because here save or publish will come. So once you select the particular option, it will be very much available, the current content will be available for the viewers. For example, if we select public, then this is available for everyone on the social media. Set as premiere, some people will do that, but I'm not doing for this, depending on the video and your times, but I'm not doing because currently I want to post this. Then schedule, some people will some videos we can schedule to for going online for the particular day, like that. So currently I want to publish now, so therefore I'm not scheduling it now. Then, so these were the common things which I will use, the basic things for publishing any video. Now publish it. So the important points were like thumbnail and few options which I have shown you. So this is the video link, you can copy it for your promotions and close it. So now you can see here in the channel your video got uploaded. So just click on it, so to see how it is. View on YouTube. If you do view on YouTube, the current uploads will come, like it will be with this. And here, see the significance of thumbnail. Your video will appear like this. This is a banner, you can say. Now come to your channel and see how it is. See, this I mean to say. So these are the common options which I make use of it whenever I want to upload any YouTube videos. I hope this is a common tutorial will helpful to the newcomers, and going forward I'll be making the new videos. And do add your comments, feedback, and like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, viewers.